Hi, I'm Chuck.
And I'm Lori.
And we're Kovaction Dronography.
And today we're going to Auburn, New York to visit some of our favorite places.
We'll be back with a lot more right after this. And this is New Hope Mills in a dust cloud. New Hope Mills. We're at New Hope Mills in Auburn, New York.
And they have been making pancake mix here since 1823. It's family owned and operated for 3 generations.
And we're going in to get some mix.
Going back to my old hometown, picking up the years I leave behind. Getting in my car, I drive as memories fly by. Driving by the fields I used to run through, where you were chasing me. We were riding out into the beaches and no one could see.
I'm going to get the banana caramel.
Oh, sweet memories of a town I loved, but changed when you left. I keep on asking myself in my mind, were you the one that got away? Moved a few times but ended up in Nashville. Tried to settle my restless soul. Got a job that felt like forever when I met you. You made me happy, we danced through the night. Life was music and I was your wife. Time flies and the years went by, still I tried.
We made it to Auburn Poultry, one of my all-time favorite places to go for Cornell chicken. This place is the best, bar none, for chicken.
Definitely the chicken's awesome.
All right, I'm gonna do it. So I'm here with Lance, the owner and proprietor of Auburn Poultry, my favoriteest Cornell chicken place ever.
Barbecue is ready and let's go.
Now that's locked on me. So yeah, we're gonna go in and get some chicken right now. Thanks, Lance.
Thanks, I guess.
It's not all for me.
No, you don't get all that. You wish.
No.
Hey, just pay attention to whatever the one all right.
Yeah. Yep.
23.69.
What do you want to do? Good. All right. Oh, yeah.
Good. All right, we're going into Prison City Brewing. This is their new location. We're going in right now. Yeah, Mass Riot started it all. When did that come out? Do you remember?
I don't. I've actually only worked for the company since December, but I know that in 2016 it came in first place at GABF. So it's Mass Riot's been a beer brand that's been good for us for longer than 5 years at this point.
That's when it broke out. It was 16 because
Yeah.
that's when there's an article that it was in. Yeah, actually, so.
You brought some there.
Yeah, there were a couple times where I waited in line for it. She was with me one time, like on a Saturday morning when it was like freezing cold,
Middle of winter.
and we each got like a crowler of it.
That's awesome. Back in the day, before we had the production facility.
Yeah.
That's why
we
we
were like,
had
oh.
to scale up this big. Is because the Mass Riot, basically, we couldn't keep up with the production of it. So we needed the 20-barrel system. Now we're pumping it out, and we're still out of cans right now.
And that's what started it all. But so at one point we had friends in Oklahoma City, so we were going out at Christmas time. So I had some fresh Mass Riot, and I brought a crowler out there. And we went to this little place. Was it Anthem? Anthem Brewing out there. And we're sitting at this bar, and like I had the crowler, and I asked the bartender, like you, I asked the bartender, I was like, can I share this with everybody here? And he got out little Easter glasses, and we poured it all around. was a big hit.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Yeah, it was a big hit.
It's one thing I miss about like the bar service part of it, because since COVID hit, none of us have had like bar stools, and that was very much something that you got from like the bar service.
So here we are at the Prison City Beer Garden. This is the new location, and it's a great day to be sitting out here.
So we're trying some Mass Riot DDH double dry hop. So you ready? Cheers.
Cheers.
Ooh, it is. It's better than the original.
Very good.
Yeah, it's really, really good. Super juicy.
Let's say one of my faves.
Super juicy.
So we are having the chicken from Auburn Poultry,
Here it is. I'll pan down.
and this stuff is delicious.
With a capital D. Delicious.
Yes, and pasta salad. Is it tortellini? What do you call the pasta salad?
It's tortellini.
Tortellini.
We hope you enjoyed our little tour of some Auburn hot spots that we enjoy. Be sure to catch us next time.
So please consider subscribing and click that like button.
And until next time, peace out.
Bye.